You say you want peace, but every time life gets quiet, you feel uncomfortable. You check your phone. You create pressure. You look for something to fix. That is not random. Your brain has been trained to function in a stress mode. So now, calm feels wrong. You are not broken. You have been conditioned. But the truth is, healing starts when you learn to sit in peace without running from it. Thank you so much. Link in my bio for full video.